Have you ever wondered why the most profound health remedies are often the ones no one talks about? In an era of high-priced supplements and complex prescriptions, there's a basic, white powder sitting quietly in the back of your kitchen cupboard. It's ordinary. It's cheap. It's baking soda. But here is the unsettling truth. There is no big pharma profit in a solution that costs 5 cents a dose. While over 350 million people worldwide struggle with chronic inflammation, joint pain, and digestive distress, the simple science of sodium bicarbonate remains a hidden secret. Could a glass of baking soda water before bed be the missing link for your acid reflux, your kidney health, or even your chronic fatigue? Tonight, we are pulling back the curtain. Going beyond the old wives' tales and diving straight into the latest 2025 clinical research to see what happens to your body when you drink baking soda water at night. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I will reveal the exact safety protocol, the precise measurements, the timing, and the specific groups of people who should never try this. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from? Our community spans the globe, and we love seeing where this journey to natural health reaches. If you're ready to reclaim your health, hit that like button and subscribe to join us. First up, quenching the fire of nighttime heartburn and reflux. We've all been there. You lie down to sleep, and that familiar, creeping burn begins in your chest. Acid reflux happens when the valve at the bottom of your esophagus weakens, allowing stomach acid to splash upward. While many people reach for expensive over-the-counter antacids, sodium bicarbonate is essentially the gold standard of natural neutralizers. Its alkaline nature immediately reacts with hydrochloric acid, turning it into harmless water and carbon dioxide. A 2022 study in BMJ Open Gastroenterology found that participants drinking bicarbonate-rich mineral water didn't just feel slightly better. They experienced significant clinical relief from heartburn compared to a placebo group. Drinking this before bed allows your stomach environment to stabilize before the horizontal position of sleep makes reflux more likely. Next, let's talk about the athlete's nightly reset, reducing muscle soreness. If you've ever pushed yourself at the gym or in the garden, you know that heavy, dull ache that hits your muscles at night. During high-intensity activity, your muscles produce hydrogen ions, which drop your internal pH and create an acidic environment. This is a primary driver of fatigue and what we call delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that sodium bicarbonate acts as a powerful buffering agent. By raising the bicarbonate concentration in your blood, it helps pull those acidic ions out of your muscle tissue. Taking it in the recovery window at night creates a more favorable pH for cellular repair, meaning you can wake up with less stiffness and more power. Now for one of the most serious and scientifically backed uses, a shield for the kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for balancing your body's acid-base levels. When people suffer from chronic kidney disease, or CKD, their kidneys struggle to excrete acid, leading to a dangerous state called metabolic acidosis. A massive 2021 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Pharmacology confirmed that oral sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly slowed the decline of the eGFR, the key indicator of kidney health. By neutralizing the acid load, you're essentially taking the weight off the kidney's shoulders, allowing them to rest and regenerate while you sleep. Moving on, let's discuss taming the gout flare. Gout is a brutal form of arthritis caused by the accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, often the big toe. And these flares are famous for striking at night. A 2024 study in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine found that when sodium bicarbonate is used, it alkalizes the urine. Why does that matter? Because uric acid is significantly more soluble in alkaline liquid. By raising your pH, baking soda helps the kidneys dissolve and flush out those painful crystals, preventing new ones from forming. Next, the internal balancing act, or systemic pH. Modern life is acidic. Stress, processed diets, and pollution all push our internal chemistry toward a lower pH. While your body has robust buffering systems, they can become overtaxed. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry from 2024 showed that consuming bicarbonate-rich water daily significantly increased urinary pH and reduced net acid excretion. This shift toward a more alkaline state supports overall cellular function, making your nightly repair processes much more efficient. What about UTI relief and urinary comfort? Urinary tract infections thrive in acidic environments. That burning sensation during urination is made worse by the acidity of the urine itself. The International Urogynecology Journal published research showing that oral sodium bicarbonate could elevate urine pH from an average of 5.3 to 7.2 over 4 weeks. This alkalization was linked to a major reduction in urinary frequency, urgency, and the need to pee at night, making it a low-risk option for managing discomfort. Now, let's touch on the frontier of this research: cancer and tumor microenvironments. Please note, this is experimental research and not a primary treatment. Scientists are investigating how the acidic shell around tumors helps cancer cells survive and resist chemotherapy. A 2024 study in Frontiers in Oncology looked at how sodium bicarbonate might neutralize tumor acidity. In animal models, those treated with bicarbonate solutions showed extended survival rates. The goal is to make the tumor's environment less hospitable for cancer cell growth. And finally, rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune condition where the body attacks its own joints. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking baking soda water sends a signal to the spleen. It tells the spleen's immune cells to stop being pro-inflammatory and start being anti-inflammatory. This immunological flip can reduce the severity of flare-ups and provide a sense of systemic calm for those with overactive immune systems. So, how do you prepare it safely? To get the benefits without the risks, you must follow this simple, precise, and mindful protocol. For timing, drink this 1 to 2 hours after your last meal, just before bed. This ensures it doesn't interfere with the acids needed to digest your dinner. For the dose, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda into 6 to 8 ounces of room temperature water. Stir it until it's completely clear. Then, sip it slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Do not chug it. And for duration, for anti-inflammatory benefits, try using it on alternate days for 2 weeks, but don't use it daily long-term without medical supervision. A very important safety warning: natural does not mean safe for everyone. You must avoid this nightly ritual if you have high blood pressure, as baking soda is high in sodium. Also avoid it if you have heart disease, specifically congestive heart failure, as the extra sodium load can strain the heart. If you are pregnant, it can cause swelling and impact your electrolyte balance. If you're on medications like diuretics, corticosteroids, or blood thinners, consult your doctor first. And finally, if you already have a high blood pH, adding bicarbonate can lead to muscle twitching and confusion. The humble box of baking soda is a reminder that sometimes the most effective tools are the ones we already own. The science is finally catching up to the wisdom of the past. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried drinking baking soda water? Did it help your digestion or your joint pain? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If this video gave you a new perspective, type yes in the comments. It helps us reach more people who need this information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.